If you are using blur to remove pimples, that's exactly why your skin looks fake. In this video, I will show you how to remove spots the right way without destroying skin texture. This is the before and then this is the after. This is the before and then this is the after. Let's fix this properly and keep the skin looking natural. So firstly, we are going to duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl J. So after pressing Ctrl J, I'm going to zoom out. So firstly, we shall be using the spot healing tool. So I'll just come to my tools here and I'll just left click and I'll just come to spot healing brush tool. So I will zoom it a little bit. So what we are going to do is we are going to start removing these temporary pimples, but make sure that you do not touch natural texture in the model's skin. So I will start removing these by just clicking in this pimple, so that to remove it, as you can see it, I'm just clicking in the pimple, and make sure that your brush is twice that pimple in terms of size to remove it more comfortably. As you can see, the brush tool is big enough to remove this small pimple. To increase on the size of the brush, you just need to click on these brackets, open and close brackets, to do what? To increase or decrease on the brush side, on the spot healing brush side. So go on and remove these temporary spots, as you can see. Go on and remove these. Make sure that you don't skip any pimple or any spot. So far you can see the before, and then so far what we have done, you can see this is the before and then this is the after. So what we are going to do, go on and remove them, and make sure that when removing them, try to also remove those black spots you're seeing. So you can see how it is looking right now. This is the before and then this is the after, the before and then this is the after. So go on and remove them. As you can see, so for more difficult areas, use the healing brush tool. So when using healing brush tool, you know what to do. You just need to sample the area and then come and just sample the near area, as you can see here, by just clicking Alt and then sample, and then come and you just need to sample for these like big pimples. Just need to sample the clean area, as you can see, and then you come and put it right on the top of that pimple. So that's the use of healing brush tool, and it works perfectly also for like these big spots. You just need to sample the what? You just need to sample on the clean area, and then you do what? You come on the top of the pimple, and then you place it with the right or with the clean area. So as you can see, this is the big pimple. So what we are going to do is I'm going to increase on the brush. So what I'm going to do is to sample here in the clean area, then drag it here. You just press it on the top of that pimple. You can see what it has done. So far you can see what it has done. That is the power of healing brush tool also. So to remove these small pimples, you just need to use spot healing tool, but for the big pimples, just need to use the healing brush tool. Just need to come and sample the clean area, and then put it on the top of the pimple so that it hides the pimple. As you can see, it does a wonderful work. Just know that. As you can see the before and then after, the before and then after so far. So that's the power of healing brush tool. And you can also use the clone stamp tool, but on the clone stamp tool you just need to, actually for the beginners it will be difficult to use it, but for us which understand how to use it, so right now for the clone stamp tool it will not be necessary. As you can see how it does also, you can see how it does. You can see when I zoom in, you can see what it does. You can also use it, but not on the on the big pimples. So far you can see the before and then after, the before and then after. You can go on and use the spotting tool to remove these small pimples so that our model's skin looks more clean enough. And when using these brushes, make sure that you do what? Make sure that you zoom in so that you see the pimples or the black spot clearly. I hope you can understand me. So far you can see the before and then after, the before and then after. So you can see the result. Be honest, which one looks better, before or after? Just comment clean if this helped you. And please subscribe if you want more Photoshop tutorials that actually improve your editing. Next video, I will show you how to retouch perfectly in Photoshop. How to retouch skin perfectly in Photoshop. So don't miss out. See you in the next one. Bye bye.